How you can achieve an affordable human hair bob wig using a branded pack hair. Over the years, I've used so many different pack hairs to create a bob wig and I've had different results. In today's video, I'm making a review on 3 of these branded pack hair among many others that I've tried out over the years. And I'll be sharing with you my experience with each of them, okay? Now, the first on my list is the leading fashion. So, I saw a video of this hair on the screen and I wanted to achieve something similar. Based on the video, this is a 2x6 Kimke double drum wig in two-tone color TIB orange. This definitely isn't a color 4. Color 4 is usually darker. Now, I didn't want to use a Vietnamese bone straight. I wanted something affordable, but at least a good quality. Then I came across this pack hair leading fashion. It comes in 3 bundles with a Kimke closure. It's a Remy human hair in about 9 to I think 12 inches long. Available in several colors: natural plain black, green color, 3 tone, mixed color, like that, like that, like that. But I went for the color that was available at that particular time. Looking at the pack, this brand promises to be a double drawn, but physically looking at it, you can tell that it's quite different from what a double drawn should look like because it has this thin end, okay? But the quality is very good. I mean, it is really, really good for its price. But wait till I get this hair wigged, okay? Now I went ahead and got the hair. I mean, I love the quality, very silky. The closure is neatly ventilated and it's a very long closure, not those short closure you see some companies produce, okay? And as we all know, styling is key. Styling is key. As a hairstylist, I just believed I was gonna do my thing, style the hair, and I hope for a good result. So I went ahead and wigged the hair. I styled it, and here is the result. So what do you think about this, guys? Like, for an affordable bob wig, you think this came out well? Please note that this didn't give me a double drawn look, okay? So I think lady fashion should just remove the double drawn written on the pack and just leave it like that, okay? So everyone will know this is actually a single drawn. But for the human hair quality, I would give it a 7 over 10. It accepts heat so well with good styling, of course. You can get the flyover down and sleek. So this is actually a very good hair and it's passed for an affordable human hair. If you've tried out this hair, kindly do well to leave your review in the comment section. Now, the price for this hair varies per the length. I got this hair for about 20 something thousand, I think 22, 23,000 naira as at then. That's about 2 years ago. So it should be around that price range. The second pack hair I'm making review on is the FBS pack hair. It comes in 3 bundles but without a closure. It has a very soft texture, really soft texture. Comes in single drawn. The webs are thick. Okay, so one pack can make a full wig. Even if you ventilate a closure from the pack, one pack can make a full wig. Personally, I had to ventilate a beautiful 2x6 Kim KT closure for myself. Okay, now I always tell you guys that it is not so much of whether a pack hair comes with a closure or not. It's always about styling. Who makes your closure for you? Who styled your hair for you? Like, that is key. The beauty of every hair is in the styling. Now, I got this hair for myself back in 2021. That's almost 3 years ago. But let me show you what this wig is looking like now in 2024. I just took this wig from where I dumped it to make this video. I literally wore this hair like almost every day for a good 6 months till I was tired. I gave it to my younger sister. She also wore this hair for a while till she got tired as well because she had to get a new wig and she was tired of styling the bob wig over and over again. So you can see the hair is looking all wavy, it's not looking bob as should. Just so you know that the quality of this hair is top notch, very good for a bob wig if you want to get a double drone result with FBS, which I have tried before. Get a company frontal and sew it with the bundle to achieve a full frontal bob wig in 100% human hair. You would love it. I tell you, you will love it. It will give you that double drone. Use the 3 bundles, okay, and a company frontal, or get a company closure, be it in 4x4, okay, and wig with the 3 bundles. Style to achieve that full double drawn wig that you so desired. Okay, you're going to love it. I just hope the company hasn't changed its quality. But here's what my ABS is looking like after over 2 years of consistent using. Now, if I said to start this here over again, trust me, you won't even believe its transformation because it's going to come out very good. What this hair just requires right now is me styling it again. The only change I noticed about this FVS hair after 2 years is that it changed color a bit. The color changed a bit. I think it's due to the usage of hot iron. Okay, and trust me, if I'm going to be very honest with you, I wasn't applying heat protectants, so I was just using my hot iron to bob, being that it's actually an everyday use, which should not be. So it changed the color of the hair. So it wasn't looking like the natural color. It's not giving like little blonde. Should I use the word blonde? So a little giving like some blonde strands in the hair. So that was the only thing that I noticed changed, and that's because I didn't use a heat protectant when I was styling the hair continually. Now the third pack hair, which I already made a detailed review on in one of my previous videos some time ago, is the Morita pack hair. I would highly recommend this beauty for someone looking to achieve a luxury Kim K bob wig. The quality is top notch. It's a bone straight like and would definitely give you a double drawn bob wig look in Kim K closure. So guys, if you find this video really helpful, do it to like this video, subscribe if you've not done that yet, and please share to your loved ones. Some might need this information for that new hairstyle they so desire. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you in my next episode of affordable pack hair for bob wig.